Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle in the edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, June the 3rd, 2022, and I've already solved two puzzles. Sudoku with 3 stars and the binary, and now it's time for the Tectonic. Tectonic with 4 stars. Is it really a 4 stars? I do not know. We will see. And this will be number 4649. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 12 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. Well, the hard ones have, as always, 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 12. Could be an hard one, could be an easy one. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. All right, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here a single box, there a single box, always a 1. Dual boxes. Do we have dual boxes in this puzzle? Here dual box, here dual box, there dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. The 1 and the 2, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Same for here. The 1 and the 2, do not know in which order, so I mark those 2 boxes. Then the following question, do we have here triple box? I see here only 1 triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Those 2 boxes, do not know in which order, so 2 and the 3, okay. And when you see a triple box, remember, the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5, but we already have a 5 there, so this box should be a 4. All right. Triple box, do we have also quarter boxes in this puzzle? No quarter boxes. Then the following strategy. Yes, the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. We have here, example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape. We have here the T shape. All right. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. But also that box has the same name as this box. So that box has the same name as this box. Only one T shape. Okay, then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. Here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here, another one. This box has the same name as that box. And then the following shape. Do we have more? No. Only 2 of them. The following shape, how about this shape? Alright, I draw this shape there. Remember, if you see this kind of shape, this box has the same name as that box. Alright, this box has the same name as that box. Then the following, oh no, we have another one here, rotated. This box has the same name as that box. Then the following shape, how about this shape? This shape. All right, you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Here another one, flipped, mirrored. So this box has the same name as that box. Ooh. Okay. Here another one. This box has the same name as that box. Okay. And I believe those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 of those shapes. Maximum are 6. but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 2 there. If I place the 2 there, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. But we already have a 2 there, so it's not a solution to place the 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2, can it be 2? So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. Then these 3 boxes surround the 1, can it be a 1? That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and a 3. Well, this box is also connected with that box, should be so 1 and a 3, but we already have a 3 here in the same area, so it can't be 3 anymore. This box should be a 1. This box is connected with that box, should be so a 1. 1 box left in this area for number 3, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. This box is also connected with that box, should be so a 3. Okay, well, this box can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3. So 4 or a 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4 and a 5. But we already have a 4 here, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. This box is connected with this box. That box should be also a 5. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can it be a 1? That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And those 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. The other pair in this area should be the 4 and the 2. 4 and the 2. But we cannot place the 2 here because we have a double 2 there. So if I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 4. And that box should be a 2. Alright. Okay. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me think. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1 and cannot be a 5. We have a 5 there, so the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. So I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes and there. 1 and a 5. I think this box, wait. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Those 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 2. These 3 boxes surround the 2. Can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box, no, we already have a 2 here. I think this box should be 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can it be 4, can it be 5, yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area, for the numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. These two boxes can be 5, so the 5, and that box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5, should be there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 1 and the 3. Let me mark those. This box is also connected with that box, should be also 1 and a 3. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 4 and the 1. Let me mark those. 4 and 1, 4 and 1. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Alright. Okay. Alright. I think this box should be 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5, yes, definitely 2. Now we have a 2 here. This box can be 2 anymore, that box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 5 it goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore, that box should be a 4, and this box should be a 1. These two boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5, should be there. This box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2, should be here. This is 1 or a 3, so we have a pair 1 and a 3 here, but we have already a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore, that box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Now we have this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 3 and a 1. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can it be a 2? We have a 2 in the same area. Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Told you. 12 printed digits. Cannot be a 4 stars. It's not a 3 stars. It's not the 2 stars. Let me give this a 1 star. Yes, a 1 star Tectonic. Because I'm faster than 15 minutes. So, publisher, wrong indication. Alright, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find them at channel, a lot of playlists. Playlist for the Tectonic, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and the samurai Sudokus, a.k.a. quintuplet. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Friday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Saturday. Yes, it's weekend. Until then, bye bye for now.